In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space between or skip a line in Google Sheets. This can be especially useful if you want to organize your data or insert additional information into a cell without cluttering your content. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through this simple process step by step. To begin, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. If you have an existing spreadsheet you want to work with, go ahead and open that. If not, you can create a new one by visiting the Google Sheets homepage and selecting a new blank sheet. Once you have your Google Sheet open and ready, we'll move on to the next step. Head over to the sheet you're working on and click on cell B2. Of course, the cell you choose can be any cell where you want to add your space or line break. I'm just using B2 for our example. Click on the cell to make sure it's active and ready for input. Now that your cell B2 is active, it's time to enter some content into it. Go ahead and type in any notes or information you'd like to include in this cell. This will be the text that you'll eventually add a line break to. Whether you're jotting down a reminder, an action item, or any other piece of info, just get that text in there as your starting point. The next part is where the magic happens, as we'll create that space or line skip within your cell. To do this, you'll use a simple keyboard combination. Press and hold the Alt key, and then hit the Enter key. This combination allows you to insert a line break within the cell without having to jump to another cell. You'll see that the text cursor moves to a new line within the same cell, giving you a clean, organized look. With your line break in place, you can continue typing on the new line within the same cell. This can be repeated as necessary if you have more information to organize within that cell. Whether you're adding more notes or separating different ideas, this technique can be quite handy for keeping everything neat and readable in your spreadsheet. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to create a space between or skip a line in Google Sheets, allowing for better organization and presentation of your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to practice and use this skill whenever you need to make your spreadsheets more efficient and visually appealing. See you next time.